This is the UMIDIGI S2 Lite with Face ID 2nd generation. Let us see what it has got for us. Now looking into the front of the phone, the stunning 6-inch display instantly catches your attention. 6-inch display equals 5.5-inch size. See more, hold less. This is what UMIDIGI says about its display. That is, with an amazing 90% screen to body ratio, the S2 Lite accommodates a larger display within a smaller body, giving an advantage of bigger screen while it is still convenient to hold. Flipping it over to the back of the phone, to the top center we have a 16 megapixel dual camera setup followed by a flash and a fingerprint sensor. There is a secondary microphone above the camera setup as well. Also, the full metal body grabs all attention. Talking about the display, S2 Lite has got a 6-inch 1440 by 720 display based on sharp TDDI in-cell technology. S2 Lite has a 90% screen to body ratio with an 18:9 full screen display, generally seen in a flagship device, coupled with Corning Gorilla Glass 4 for protection. Now jumping straight into the specifications, the S2 Lite comes with a MediaTek MT6750T octa-core processor, clocked at 1.5 GHz, and an ARM Mali T860 650 MHz GPU. It also houses 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and it runs on Android 7.0. Taking a look into the camera department, S2 Lite comes with a 16 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup to the rear, which is capable of recording 4K at 30 fps. S2 Lite has also got a 5 megapixel front camera capable of doing the next big thing, Face ID 2nd generation, which is more accurate and faster than ever. The Face ID in S2 Lite scans multiple angles of your face so that it unlocks only when it sees your actual biological face, so that it can't be fooled by a photograph of yours. Face ID works brilliantly in low light as well. Now talking about the lifeline of the phone, the battery. S2 Lite comes with an huge 5100 mAh battery, which is more than enough for a full day of usage. Considering a larger battery, it is quite surprising that the phone weighs only 186 grams. So this was the UMIDIGI S2 Lite, a budget smartphone with flagship features. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and do click the subscribe button. Also comment down below what do you like most about the UMIDIGI S2 Lite. Thanks for watching.